miaka 10 kuma hindiri sekta ya ugima wa mwiri ya kurirwe kiano kuma kuri thirikari nene kitanagia thirikari cia matura wa umuthi riu ma ministry no na makiria ya ugima wa mwiri ne kurirwe ikiheana kana ministry ya kuramata marigitari goko bũrũri-inĩ MPDU ne kurirwe ikiheana riboti yayo miaka 10 ya mathiete nambere ĩrĩa ĩtongoririo nĩ Davietela tũrĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo Duncan Kagera wa Gĩtĩru aratutarĩria.
I've noted with a clear concern there's declining state of healthcare in the counties.
Kwa ihinda inene rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ bũrũri-inĩ rũkoretwo rũgomererwo nĩ mathĩna kĩhĩri. Ũũ nĩ uge wa kĩama kĩa mandagĩtarĩ bũrũri-inĩ kĩa MPD gĩtongoretie mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa Davietela kũrũmĩrĩra mũcemanio wao na bodi ya mandagĩtarĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Today we've had a deliberation on the issues that are affecting us and that are affecting the country.
Arigitani nĩ metĩte ongerera mĩcara nĩ amu ngarama ya mũtũrĩre igũrũ kũrũmĩrĩra kũhĩtũkio kwa riboti ya mwaka nĩ amu mwenyegete nĩ mĩaka 7 kuma mongererwo mĩcara.
We all know that there is a cost of living across board. We see also that by that Finance Act, our payroll, or rather our salaries, 52% of it will go tax. And as such, the NEC of the Union has resolved to demand for a salary increase for doctors across the country. We are demanding for collective bargaining agreements to be rapidly negotiated so that have salaries that are commensurate with changes in the market price of commodities. We have submitted the collective bargaining agreement draft to the counties and to the ministry. We are asking that these need to be expedited urgently so that the doctors can be added salaries so that they can be able to afford living. The consumer price index, you check the GDP of the country, you check all the inflation for the period. The last time that doctors had a change in their salary was in 2016. It's been 7 years.
Na ciaciagia NHIF ni morite rũhonge rũrũ rũrute wĩra guo ũrĩa gũbatie na magatetia kwambatĩrio kwa marĩhi marĩa marĩhagwo kwĩ kĩgĩna gĩkĩ kĩa NHIF na iria maugĩte ciũraga na njĩra ya ungumania.
Addressing the issue of NHIF, which we find that it's betraying Kenyans and betraying the healthcare providers. NHIF, as currently constituted, does not pay for the workers where they go to get services to different hospitals. It's only sometimes cover bed, and it leaves the healthcare workers, it leaves the doctors with burden to pay their fee, their cost of care by themselves. So we are saying there's need for NHIF to actually be accountable. Tumeona kunazo ile corruption, wanataka kuongeza ile deduction. So tunasema kuwa lazima waweke mikakati ambayo itahakikisha kila Mkenya na pia wafanyakazi wa afya kama daktari wanapata faida kabla waongeze ongezo ambao walikuwa nasema.
Oho, ni moja ikaisia kaunti ihige wana madagitari kwa bũrũri-inĩ na makaheana mũkana mũgomo gwĩ kaunti ici cia kũhingia ũrĩa kadathi yao yugĩte.
We noted with a clear concern there's declining state of healthcare in the counties. To start with, we are seeing healthcare workers who are providing services diligently, like in Nakuru County, being dismissed unfortunately. And we rebuke and say that that is shameful for the community who had campaigned on the promise of supporting healthcare workers. Secondly, we are seeing Kenyatta National Hospital discriminating against doctors and against healthcare workers, whereas they are paying half the salaries that are being paid to the rest. And therefore, the National Hospital will be issuing a strike of 2 weeks beginning next week. In Busia County and Kakamega County, there will be a slow from next week because of mishandling of doctors in the 2 counties. Well, the are also contemplating to issue a notice for strike after consulting with their members there. It's a time that we want to ask the government that we need action. We need to feel that things are being done. We need to feel that CBAs have been negotiated. We need to feel that health are not being frustrated and be given promises without result. The same thing. TV,